Hey everybody, Tom McKenna, Coach Realtors. Listen, I wanted to help out my new buyers out there and give you 5 tips, 5 things to keep in mind when you're about to put an offer in on a house. Now, the first tip I'm going to tell you is pretty self-evident. Find a good agent. You should find a real estate agent that can be there, that can help you, that can partner with you, talk you through the process, help you figure out what kind of house you really need and can afford, get all your things together and help you to go find that house and be ready to present an offer when you find the house that makes sense to you. So number 1, get a good agent. I know one. And you can message me, I'll give you their information. The second thing is to get pre-approved. It's essential in this market to get pre-approved. Years ago, people would go look for a house. Once they found a house they liked, then they would put an offer in and try to go to a bank and get a mortgage. That is 100 years ago. It doesn't work. Please don't try and do it. Please take the time. Go talk to a mortgage lender, talk to several mortgage lenders, get your finances in order, and really find out how much house you can qualify for, how much house you can afford, and how much house you're comfortable with investing in. So again, number 1, find an agent. Number 2, get pre-approved. The third thing I'm going to say is to get a real estate attorney. You don't have to engage them, pay them anything, but go out, investigate, find out who are some good real estate attorneys in your area that you can work with. Ask your agent for referrals. Ask other folks you know that have bought houses for referrals, and do a little investigation and get that attorney. Talk to them and get them lined up so you know when you are ready to make a transaction, you will have that attorney on board. Again, it's something that's just going to help you out and make the whole transaction a lot smoother. The fourth thing is to really figure out how much of a down payment you can make. Make sure you have all your finances put aside for this, because the 2 big cash layouts in getting a new home are the down payment and also your closing costs. Make sure you have that money set aside, and that's something you'll be talking with your agent about, you'll be talking with the mortgage lender about, and you need to be aware of it and be ready for those things. But be ready to get the best down payment ready that you can, because a larger down payment makes a seller feel more confident in the deal. It sort of makes everyone feel a bit better. We can get a house at 3.5%. That's absolutely true and happens all the time. Folks get it for 5%, but the more you can put down, in most cases, it can make you a little bit more attractive in a competitive market to the seller. And the last thing, probably most importantly, making an offer on a house in consultation with your agent and your lender, and in deep consultation with anyone else in your family that you're investing in going on this home buying journey with. Make sure that you can make the strongest and best offer that you can on a home. Much like a lot of other sort of home buying rules from a generation ago that have changed, don't expect to come in with make a lowball offer and think that the seller will necessarily make a counter and you guys can work through it in several iterations, because people don't have the time for that. And not in this market. Houses get sold in a weekend, they get sold in a day, and it's very competitive. So don't overextend yourself. Don't make an offer that you're not comfortable with, that you don't feel you can afford in the end. Again, having done this work with your agent, with your lender, know how far you can go, and just make the strongest offer that you feel comfortable with. Don't make an offer knowing that, well, maybe I could go another couple of thousands if I really needed to. If you really want that house, really make the strongest offer you can. And this is something, again, your agent will help you look at some comps and recent sales in the area and let you know sort of what things are going for. But again, make a strong offer. Okay, so to review the 5 things: get a good agent, get a lender, get an attorney, get your cash on hand ready for down payments and closing costs, and be prepared to make the strongest offer you can. Those are 5 tips, 5 that will hopefully help you in this home buying market and get you ready to get the house that you really want and the house that you deserve. So again, it's Tom McKenna, Coach Realtors. Reach out, call, message me. I'm happy to help answer any questions in any way. Have a great day.